What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to give you a quick overview tutorial of the Kommo CRM platform specifically for WhatsApp. Now Kommo is a CRM or customer relationship management software that is specifically built with WhatsApp in mind. So first of all, if you go to their website, that's en.kommo.com, and then you can scroll down and see all the features of the platform right here. You can try it for free, and that's what we are going to do in a moment. And here you can see some snippets of your pipeline workflow, some lists like incoming leads, tasks, and so on. And here you can get every client at your fingertip. You can get custom more than one view, like pipeline view, list view, or inbox view we're going to do. And we are going to check all of that in a minute. And here's some other features and benefits. You can answer faster with chatbots specifically built for AI, as well as get all your chats in one box, so that makes it easier for you to go ahead and view them all and reply. You can create a WhatsApp business template for interactions with your clients, a WhatsApp broadcast for your clients, and also WhatsApp automations. And also you get more features such as task management, team chat, get analytics and insights, integrate with lots of apps, get a chat button, and web forms. And these are some of the ways a WhatsApp CRM like Kommo can help you with connecting with your teams and managing your business. Here you have three plans. You have the base plan and the advanced and enterprise. The base plan is for $15 per user per month, and the advanced is $25 per user per month, and the enterprise for large businesses is at $45 per user per month. Now you can go ahead and compare the plans to see which one is best for you, and you can get a demo as well if you want. Now we are going to try it for free to see how it works. And you can sign up with Google or Facebook or with email, which is what I'm going to do right now. Okay, now that I added my email, I need to add my full name and a password. So I'm going to do so right now. Okay, now create account. Then verify that I'm not a robot. Create my account. And now I need to log in with the same email and password that I just added. And now I'm on my main dashboard. And here I need to customize my account. Now choose the theme. I prefer dark theme. Select my avatar. Now let's select this one. And as you can see, anyone that you select will be added here in the corner. So let's add this one, for example. My support preference, WhatsApp. And here I need to add my phone number. So I'm going to add it pretty quickly. And then here, what you want to do first, organize leads and clients, chat with clients, build a no-code chatbot. Let's say I want to build a no-code chatbot for my WhatsApp business. And here they give me some information about their chatbot here, or sales bot as they call it. And now I'm redirected here to my main dashboard. So here, if I go to dashboard, I can view all my insights. Of course, there are zeros everywhere because this is a newly created account. I haven't done anything yet. So 0 ongoing conversation, unanswered conversations, lead source, incoming messages, and everything. And this is for this week. I can view all the insights and statistics for the month and for today only, or I can select a specific time if I want to. Now, if I scroll down, I can see some more like insights, number of tasks, active leads, and so on. And here I have my leads under it. And this is where I can view my pipeline, my workflow pipeline. Initial contact, discussions, decision-making, contract discussion, and so on. And I can add here like tasks in any of the list or any of the columns. So if I click on quick add here, I can add the name of the task, the price if there is, the phone, the contact related to this task, and everything. And now here in the chats, I have my inbox, and I can connect more channels here to view all my messages. So if I click on connect more channels, I can connect my WhatsApp Cloud API, my WhatsApp Lite, or Facebook, Viber, WeChat, Instagram, and others. And as you can see, the list is very big. Even apps such as Slack, Chatra, and like Telegram or Intercom. So under that, I have calendar. And I can view all my tasks here to do today or to do tomorrow. And of course, I have 0 tasks. I can add the tasks from here. So contact or lead. Let's say, for example, arrange meeting with client, okay, for myself tomorrow. Okay, set it. And as you can see, the task is added for tomorrow. I can move it around and add it for today, or as you can see at the bottom, I have new options in 2 days, next Monday, next month, and if it's done. So let me move it to next month, and I'll need to follow it up in the next month. So here I have one to do, and I can view the monthly view as well. And as you can see, this is the task that I have to follow up today. Now under it, I have lists. And here I have contacts, I have companies, I have all contacts and companies. So I can sort my list here for contacts and for companies or media or products. So let's go and view the contacts. And here I have 0 contacts since I haven't added any. I can add contacts from here. So adding all the contact information. The responsible user is myself. I can add the work phone, work email, position. I can add the leads. I can add a setup here. I can add leads, and I have setup. Now the full name of the contact, let's name him test contact. Okay, now let's save him. And now if I go to contacts, my contact lists, and as you can see, I have my test contact added. Now if I click on him, I can edit all the information like leads, I can add media, and I can view the setup as well. Now, here I have mail, and of course there are no messages. I can view here the messages settings. And as you can see here, they can build a custom email address to me. So that's my username at mail.kommo.com. I can choose which one I want, or I can create a new one if I want to. Now, in stats here, I can view here all my analytics, so the win-loss, consolidated, report by activities, and everything. Of course, I have not enough data for report since this is a newly created account. I don't have any data as of yet. And finally, I have my settings. Now I can access my account settings here. Now here I can view all my integrations. So I have the integrations tab here. I can integrate with many messenger apps and other apps as well. So here, as you can see, messenger apps, text and SMS messaging. I can install any of them to integrate it with Kommo. And I even have forms and calling apps as well. Now here I have my billing settings if I'm subscribed to a paid plan. And since I'm not, they ask me to choose a paid plan to subscribe to if I want to. And of course, the more time I subscribe to, the less the price will be. So they give me a discount. And here I have the general settings for my account, the user settings, and the communication tools settings as well. Also here I have the help center if I want to get help and if I want to learn more about how to use the platform. So that was pretty much it. A quick overview of the Kommo WhatsApp CRM platform and its different features.